What is good, everybody? It is your boy, Same My Name's Soldier. I'm sure most of you know by now that I am sponsored by iEDM.com. They sent me some clothes recently. Let's check them out. All right. We got some shorts. Wow, these are sick. Very vibrant and colorful. I'll try those on in a sec. Let's see what else we got. Dang, these are even more vibrant. Those are dope. Some shorts. 2 pairs of shorts so far. A shirt to match the shorts. Let's go. Dang. I love these colorways. These are so sick. Wow. Much wow. Matching shirt. Very dope. Wow, look at that. The contrast with the black and all the colors. Trippy, melty, vibrant. Definitely would rock all of these at a local show. Rave, whatever you want to call it. Of course, I'm going to be rocking these at festivals. Looks like we got some joggers. Bam! Look at that. These are crazy. These are nice lightweight joggers. I think they're called classic joggers, but they feel like they don't feel heavy. Some jogger material is like really heavy and they feel like sweatpants. These are like the light joggers. Heck yeah. Let's try some of this on. Alright, let's check out these fits. Got the t-shirt with the matching shorts. These are dope. Definitely going to be rocking these at a show. The festivals. By the way, I'm 5'9", 150 pounds. Soaking wet. I wish I was bigger, but I've been working for 9 years and I haven't really gained any weight. All right. That's dope. I love it. Vibrant, trippy, melty. That's what you want. That's what you need. All right, what do we got here? Ooh. Ooh. Got the shirt with the matching joggers. Heck yeah, I'm definitely going to be wearing these when the shows start rolling through Reno around the winter time. Got the joggers for when it's cold outside. Hell yeah. I like the black and the white and the colors. Nice contrast. Let's go. iEDM. Wow, look at that, yo. That looks so dope. I've never ever been into the matching shirt and shorts, but like this I rock with. When the patterns are this cool, this vibrant with the black, it's got good contrast. By the way, like I said, 5'9", 150 pounds. All the shirts that I've worn so far are mediums, and the joggers are mediums. And I'm pretty sure the shorts are 30-inch waist. Like I said, I'm 150 pounds. Definitely not a huge dude. I love this material too. It's nice and soft. Fits me good too. Sometimes mediums fit me small, but these fit perfect. My waistline is like right here, so this is where the shorts are at. And I like a good amount of overhang. You know, I don't like mediums that fit like smalls. This is a true medium. Fits true to size. iEDM, thank you so much for sponsoring me as a content creator, sponsoring all my videos. For those of you that have checked out my bass caging videos, I appreciate you. We got Lost Lands coming up. I'm gonna be repping this merch at Lost Lands. Y'all can come up to me, say what's up. I'm going to be having, they're going to give me a 10% off discount code, a custom code. They asked me what I wanted it to be. I told them Soldier42, so SOLDIER 42. If that changes, I'll update you, but as of right now, that should be what my code will be. I will put in the description of my videos whenever that link is active, and you can use it for 10% off your iEDM order. Thank you to iEDM. That's hard to say 5 times. Say it 5 times. See if you can do it. Thank you to iEDM for sponsoring me. I am so stoked to be repping this merch at shows and festivals. Let's get it. Say my name, Soldier. Deucing out.